Welcome to Review Time, where we bring you closer to the legends of the automotive world. Today, we take a nostalgic journey back to one of the most iconic cars in American history, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is not just a car. It's a time capsule of 1950s America, a symbol of style, confidence, and the golden age of motoring. Let's dive into what makes the 57 Bel Air an unforgettable classic. The Chevrolet Bel Air made its debut in the early 1950s, but it was the 1957 model that became the crown jewel of the lineup. It was bold, flashy, and full of character, a perfect reflection of post-war America's optimism. The design of the 1957 Bel Air is instantly recognizable. Its sleek tail fins, chrome accents, and that famous V-shaped front grille made it stand out even in a crowd of beautiful machines. The twin rocket-inspired hood ornaments gave it a touch of space-age flair, which was a huge trend at the time. Under the hood, the Bel Air offered several engine options, but the most talked about was the 283 cubic inch V8 with the revolutionary fuel injection system. This was a huge deal in 1957, one of the first production cars to feature such technology. It pushed the power output close to 283 horsepower, making it one of the fastest American cars of its era. Drivers loved that smooth acceleration, the throaty exhaust note, and the effortless cruising on open highways. It was a car built for both elegance and excitement. Inside, the Chevrolet Bel Air was equally impressive. The two-tone upholstery, chrome-trimmed dashboard, and wide steering wheel made you feel like you were sitting in a piece of art. Everything inside screamed luxury for its time. Even the small details, like the Bel Air script on the dashboard and the golden V badges, showed Chevrolet's attention to design and class. For many families in the 1950s, owning a Bel Air was a dream come true, a sign of success and modern living. But what really made the 1957 Bel Air so special was how it connected emotionally with people. It wasn't just transportation, it was freedom on wheels. Teenagers wanted it for its looks and speed, while parents admired its reliability and comfort. The Bel Air quickly became a cultural icon, appearing in movies, TV shows, and countless songs. It captured the spirit of the American dream, cruising down wide roads, the radio playing rock and roll, and life feeling limitless. Today, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air remains one of the most collectible classic cars in the world. Car enthusiasts spend years restoring them to their original glory, and pristine examples can sell for huge sums at auctions. Its timeless design continues to inspire modern car designers, proving that true beauty never goes out of style. Whether you see it parked at a car show or rolling down the street, it still turns heads like it did nearly 70 years ago.